I'm going to try to take you through a bit on how we're leveraging data and technology to really advance television for marketers. This is what America looks like, very diverse. But when we're buying television, we buy the same thing. We send the same creative message to everybody nationally. What we actually want to be doing is identifying your target audience and deliver a more relevant message to them that actually helps move the needle for your brand. When you're trying to reach a specific target, you actually want to understand when are people watching. And so what we try to do is pick those half hours that are actually over-indexing for the target. That meaning these people are actually more likely to watch the show at these specific times and days. We can deliver more than double the return on ad spend with an optimized schedule. So it's pretty compelling for a marketer. Quick case study that we did leveraging an MRI target. The MRI segment that we used was for QSR client. They were age 18 to 49, people who basically spent between $50 and $300 at a family restaurant. And we delivered 6% sales lift. This is another example for an audiobook. And if you think about the largest audiobook company, they have a lot of data, and they still lean on MRI to build their segmentation because it works really well. One of the things that we like about the MRI data is it's very diverse from an attribute perspective, and so when we're working with a client in any category, we can leverage the MRI data to really get them started in advanced television and really move them out of the broad demo and into a target that actually is going to help drive their business better and faster.
Obviously, we love that you used our data, so thank you for that.
You bet.
Why did you put it in the mix? What was the driver?
So the MRI data is kind of well understood in the marketplace. We looked at MRI as like a very scalable way for us to basically say, hey, look, you're using this in the planning process, now use it in the activation process, and then we can obviously measure on the back end as well.